Expanding the product of two binomial expressions. Examples. Expand x plus y into brackets w plus z. Now, we want to expand this. Solution. X plus y into brackets w plus z. So the first thing to do is to consider each term in the first binomial expression. The first term there is the letter x. So we use x to multiply the whole of second binomial expression. That's w plus z. Then plus the next term, that is the second term in the first binomial expression, which is plus y. Then we use it to multiply the whole of second binomial expression. Now, the next step is to expand the brackets. Expanding the bracket, we use the letter x to multiply w. So what do we have? We have wx. Then this same letter x to multiply z. So we have xz. Then we have plus y. We use the y to multiply w. So we have wy. Then we use this same w to multiply z. So what do we have? We have yz. Now we have four terms in this algebraic expression, and the four terms are unlike terms. Hence, the answer to this expression or to this particular question is wx plus xz plus wy plus yz. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.